Sunny, hot, humid. This is what people expect from July, but we haven't seen that much of it this month.
Pat, so different compared to where we started the week.
Well, that's true. And of course, most people are getting nostalgic for June at this point.
Yes, I think a lot of us are. Even May this year was pretty good. So far, we have been very active this month. Today is no exception. Here's a live look in Brownville where we can actually visualize some of those showers, the mountains in the distance obscured due to the clouds and rain moving through right now. We've been tracking a line of thunderstorms. Some of those are on the stronger side. And the reason that I want to show this graphic here is because I think they're going to move through Bangor, and that also means that they could drop quite a bit of rain with them. Bangor is already off to its wettest start to July on record. We are only about 1.5 inches away from seeing the wettest July on record, and we still have like 2 weeks left in the month, 2 active weeks at that. Here's our visible satellite right now. Temperatures overlaid on this: 88 in Sanford, 85 in Portland. We see a lot of 80s along the coastline. The exception is down east. Bangor currently at 80 degrees. A line of thunderstorms moving south toward Bangor, Waterville, the I-95 corridor. And those storms could certainly pack a punch. They're moving into an environment that's very unstable, a lot of energy for them to use as they keep moving south. It's cooler behind them, and along the coastline down east is where we still have some fog locked in place, which will ultimately cut down on the risk of severe thunderstorms right along the coastline. But I'm still interested in a couple of stronger storms through interior sections of Washington County especially. Here's our line of thunderstorms. We've been watching these over the last few hours. They have certainly gotten a bit stronger since we started tracking them. Currently, there's a heavy downpour that's about to move through Pittsfield, and it stretches up to Dexter, Dover, Foxcroft, Milo, and this is going to keep moving toward Bangor. Heavy downpours within this, a lot of lightning, strong wind gusts maybe to about 40 miles an hour, so not quite at that threshold that we usually look for damage, but certainly enough to notice them. We've also got another stronger storm that's now moving close to the Medway area, that's crossing I-95, and will keep trekking to the east before it makes its way through Reed and eventually Danforth and crosses both Route 2 and Route 1. So I think that what's going to happen here is as we get a little bit later into the afternoon, we'll see the wind shift to be out of the northwest behind this front, but out ahead of it, we've got wind out of the south and southwest, and that's going to give just a little bit more room for organization for some of these stronger thunderstorms. Most of us are cleared up by 4 or 5 o'clock, and then this evening and tonight are very quiet, really not much going on. The next big weather story comes this weekend. We'll watch this front stall out to our south, low pressure rise along it, and we could see very heavy rain starting Saturday night, lingering into Sunday. The potential for flash flooding certainly there, expecting a widespread 1 to 2 inches of rain. Seas 2 to 4 feet today, wind out of the southwest 10 to 20 knots. 7-day forecast inland is going to be cooler with showers on Sunday especially. Mostly cloudy Monday, maybe the threat for some afternoon storms on Tuesday, and things are finally clearing up as we get into the end of next week. It looks like maybe we'll keep the sunshine around for more than just an afternoon, Pat.
I think that would be most welcome, Mike. Thank you.